Actually, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is gracceyKerry. It's another day here. We are blessed. We have woke up without our body aching. I am very much happy here. Actually, today I am going to show you all over here at the company where I've been working. This is where I've been working. It's around 10:30 now. It's around 10:30 now. As you can see here, everything goes like the day comes to days, and then sometimes you don't plan what you are going to do anyhow. So I want to show you where the Martians have been working, so that we are going to clean the place. The place looked, actually they messed up with everything, but what can we do? That was the renovation which they did. Okay, we are inside now. This is the place which was renovated. We haven't done the painting because it is not finished already, as you can see here. So here, these are the windows. You can see a lot of cement, so I have to crush all this. You can see all the darkness. So you can see here, I have to clear all these, and then take them outside. You can see this one outside, and then we shall start cleaning. It will take time. You may bear with me, it will take time. Here we have to start taking things outside one by one, and then we shall start sweeping. That's a village routine, as you can see here. And the Martian was coming today, but he didn't show up because we actually want this place to get ready, so that I'll be back in the kitchen, and I'll not be cooking outside. So here we have to start removing these things. This is a broken basin here, as you can see. Here there's a broken brick here, as you can see here. So let's go back to this job here and see how long we are going to do the work here as the time goes by. Actually, guys, you may wonder as to why I'm wearing this, because there is a lot of dust inside here. So we have to clear these timbers outside. I have to take them outside one by one. And the one is holding. You come here, maybe they are too heavy, so I have to take them outside. Some comments here. How do we call this? Is it a fork? A fork? Yeah. And this one here, is it a shovel or a spade? Leave some comments down there. This is it. Today I have a lot and heavy work here, so you can help me. Maybe if you would have been here, you would have assisted me to work on this job here. So I need to go out. Also this one out. And like this one is for making some bricks. You make two, one here and another one here, when you are preparing bricks from the first stage. This one is you should have this one here when you want to make bricks. Okay,
broken? I don't know. Actually, this leg is broken. Oh, I don't know what they're going to say. You see this one here? It is for the filtration. This leg is broken. Putting the filtration like up there. I'll show you. These are broken bricks. These are broken bricks. You have to take them outside also. There's also brass which you can hear. There's also an old banga in our language. In our Swahili language we call it banga. You leave some comments here how you call it on your language. And I've forgotten how in English we should call it. Yes. So we have to start. Actually, we have to start stripping. Yes, you can see. And this is my usual broom that I usually use to clean the compound all over here. So here. I can put some water, but remember the floor is cemented, so you cannot put water while you are sweeping. I put on a mask. Actually, let me go and bring a mask. Actually, here is the mask. The place is very, there's a lot of dust, so I have to wear a mask. And remember, there is no COVID here in the room. I am alone. You can see when they were doing the job, a lot of stuff was left on the floor. So I have to use this old pan to remove it, to scrub the floor. See this one here. You leave some comments if such a mess has happened to you when your house was being built or where you are living, it was being renovated. hard. Very hard. I don't know what I'm going to do here. So let's make that sweep so that you see how it is. Try to sweep so that you will see what's going on here. Still there is some. How much would I be paid if I clean and scrub such a place, such a dirty place? There's someone who would have come with a basket for $100. I don't know, $100, take down $1. Yeah. Actually, hear the noise. Jesus Christ. Even the windows were being tampered with. There's a lot of cement up here, so we have to scrap it with this old panga here. Guys, sorry about the noise. I hope you enjoyed my video here as we continue cleaning this room here. It's really now we have to soak it with some water, and I have to start sweeping the water, and then we shall mop. That is it. Hope you enjoy my video. If you are new here and come across my video here, kindly subscribe. Consider subscribing. That's a better way of assisting me here in the village. Actually, guys, here we should start putting the water because the place is very dirty. So I have to put the water first, and then I sweep the water, and then we shall start mopping. That is it. This is the water here. Yes, you can see. Sorry about the noise. Wow. So guys, as I said earlier, now we move. Look at the place. It looks somehow clean than when it was I think you saw it when we started the video and how it was very dirty, but now look at it, look how it is. And I'm using this rag here to mop. You leave some comments down there if this is the kind of mop you use at your place when you are cleaning your house. Wow, that's it. Hope you enjoyed my video here and leave some comments. See how beautiful it is. Just to compare how it was first when we started the video and now here. It is very, very clean, as you can see here. Thank you so much for watching my video. I welcome you here. If you are new here, kindly click the bell, subscribe my channel and leave some comments. Thank you so much. Yeah.